Whether you're creating a floor plan from scratch for your dream home or having one created to showcase your real estate listing, we've got your back. Today we're covering everything you need to know about creating a floor plan. A floor plan is a scaled diagram of a building, room, or space viewed from the top down. They can be used to help plan furniture placement, wiring for home automations, or communicating with contractors during a home remodel. They can also be great tools for real estate agents and leasing agencies to communicate the space and layout of a property to potential buyers or renters. Studies actually show that 1 in 5 home buyers would ignore a listing without a floor plan, and 42% of sellers wouldn't hire a real estate agent that didn't offer a floor plan with their listing. Showing a floor plan in your listing's photos increases click-through rates by 52%, meaning more potential buyers for you. A floor plan tells the story of the space it represents. It needs to showcase the flow between rooms and paint a picture of living in that space. If you're creating a floor plan for an existing space or building, you'll need to first choose the room or building. From there, you'll need to measure using either tape or a laser measuring device. We recommend sketching out the shape of the room roughly and then marking the walls on your sketch. You don't have to be perfectly accurate with your drawing here because you'll get it recreated to scale later, but you do want to measure all the walls, the doors, windows, and anything else that is generally unchanging like appliances. While a floor plan is indeed a 2D document, measuring height differences within spaces can help with designing open concept spaces as well as positioning lighting fixtures. By measuring and marking changes in ceiling height using dashed lines, you're capturing important information about the volume of your space. This info can come in handy when evaluating furniture layouts as well as calculating how much wall paint to buy. Once you have all your measurements, you want to make sure that you recreate the features to scale. If the scale is off and you use it to communicate remodel instructions or as a guide for ordering furniture, you could end up with an ugly surprise when something comes and doesn't fit right. After you have the walls and key architectural features drawn into scale, then you can start placing furniture and interior design features using that same scale. Now, if you're making a floor plan from scratch, you need to consider quite a few more things than just the measurements of the walls. Your space should be versatile and flexible. No one wants to be locked into your vision of a space. Your floor plan could inspire them to imagine the space in their own vision. That said, unless you're designing without any specific land or space in mind, remember that what you create has to fit and function in a real place and make sense for where it will be built. You should consider the number of people and the age of the people the space is being designed for. If it's for a family of 4, you want to make sure that the living spaces are large enough to comfortably fit all members of the family in common rooms. You'll also want to make sure that bedrooms and entertaining spaces are not right next to each other. You should also take your target audience's lifestyle into account. Do they need more garage space or a game room? Do they work from home or do they commute? Are they having big family get-togethers during the holidays? All of these questions will help you make informed decisions when imagining a whole new floor plan. You should also remember what impact architectural features will have on the final home. Things like skylights, floor-to-ceiling windows, rooms with exterior walls, and other details could mean the difference between a modest heating and cooling bill or a mammoth one for whoever ends up living in the space you design. So those are all of our tips and tricks for creating amazing floor plans. Aside from, of course, using Design Pickle to save time and money when creating your own floor plan. Our team of custom illustrators can take your measurements and notepad sketches and turn them into professional, clean floor plans, or help you imagine a whole new floor plan for your dream home. Whether you just like designing spaces or you're a real estate agent, we can help you out. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, drop us a comment below and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for the next one.